Hey guys, how's it going? Um, so I've just run into a problem last night at about 11 o'clock in the afternoon while I was just watching some YouTube. I lost connection to the internet and I, being late, I didn't really do too much fucking around with it, but I did, however, get home from work today and I found myself running into the same problem and I did a fair few things to try and resolve the issue. So the issue that was popping up was saying that the Ethernet device was uh, damaged or unplugged or not properly plugged in. I'll have a photo above or somewhere on the screen of what exactly it looks like because I'm probably butchering what it was actually called. But yeah, it's a pretty common error from what I've heard. And most videos that I have seen on YouTube, I watched about 5 of them, all tell you to do the same thing. It tells you to restart your network, restart your computer, uninstall drivers, update drivers, and all that stuff. And none of it worked. So I found a solution, and this worked for me. Keep in mind this, might not work for you, and if that doesn't, I'm really sorry. I can probably try and help you out in the comments if this really doesn't work and you've tried everything else. But I'm just going to show you what I've done anyway. So it started off, it said that everything wasn't connected and unplugged. I made sure that all of my connections were correct. I made sure I swapped out my Ethernet cable. Well, I've got two because I'm running power over Ethernet. No, Ethernet over power, whatever one. Don't quote me on it. Sorry. Checked everything. I tried the Ethernet on another computer just to make sure that it wasn't the cable, and that was 100% my computer. And I could go in and show you how to do that, but there's probably 1,000 different tutorials on YouTube that will tell you how to do that. I might even be able to try and link one, maybe, we'll see. But we start off, go to Device Manager. And then once you're in here, you'll go down to network adapters. And as you can see here, this is my Ethernet network adapter. Again, not exactly sure what you'll have, but this is mine. You'll usually see that it'll sound something like this. And this is, I think, Realtek's a very common network adapter, whatever it is, I don't know. But anyway, so you get the name of this, right? So what you want to do, I've already got it here because I've already Googled it and downloaded it and all that, but you type in the name of your, wrong one, whatever one it is, you'll see, because we're not trying to connect to a wireless access network, all of these, that's one. I'm pretty sure it'll stand out to you. Alright, type it in, go to their website, wherever it is, Realtek, and then you click on it, and then you want to download whatever Windows version you have. For me, I have Windows 10, which is I'm going to assume that most of you are on Windows 10 as well. So if you are and you are using Realtek, you can download this one. Download that, and then what you want to do once you have that is open it with WinRAR. There'll also be a link in the description if you do not have this, and you want to click setup.exe and run it. It'll install everything. It'll uninstall the previous version. And so another thing, because you're probably shaking your head at me and I forgot to explain this at the start of the video. Yes, I do understand that you cannot download this because the internet is not working. Trust me, I watched plenty of videos and it hurt my brain the fact that they didn't have they just didn't think of this. But you want to get a phone or something and connect your computer to a hotspot, like a tether. So you plug USB in if your phone is capable of that. I don't know if iPhone's capable of it. I know that Android is, or you could just download it on your phone and then transfer it with a cable to your computer. you'll be able to figure something out. Again, I'm not exactly sure how to show you that in this video, but you can move it from a phone to a computer. That's all I'm saying. And then once that's installed, it should be all sorted. So, and the reason you do it that way, the reason you go onto the website and download the driver from there is because I tried many times to go, where is it, device manager, and open properties. I tried at least 4 different times. I seriously can't fathom how many different I don't know, different ways I've tried to fix this issue, but this is the way that worked for me. I tried doing that. Search automatically told me that I was at the latest driver. But yeah, I uninstalled it, restarted my computer. I did everything. So if this doesn't work for you, and none of the other tutorials on YouTube didn't work for you, it could be a hardware. Either you need a new Ethernet cable, or there might be some hardware damage to your computer or your router. But if that is the case, then I apologize, because I can't help you as far as that goes. But yeah, I hope this did help. If it did, I'd appreciate you if you liked and subscribed. Yeah, this is a really quick, just sort of record it and slap it up thing, because I was due to be streaming about 2 hours ago. And if you're into gaming, you can go and suss me on there, like and subscribe and that. So, yeah. Anyway, hope it did help. If it did, let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your day.